In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this custom wax seal in Canva. First, we have to create our own wax seal, the custom one, what we would like to use. Like I created this circle with the crown. So the first thing, we just need to push the C button to get the circle, or we can also go into the shapes and get the circle. That's whatever what we want, what we need. We can create this circle. I just want that to be a bit bigger. Position to the center middle. Technically, the color is not that important. So I add a stroke. The stroke has to be around 30, 35-ish. Just a normal black circle. That's a black stroke around the circle, and go into the color. And here we have the option no color. So just we have the, technically we have the ring. Now we can add whatever we want inside the circle. Now go into the elements and we can add again like a crown. Go into the graphics. Now I use a different one. Now we use, yeah, this one is a bit, I will use this one. And what if I just create a bit more funny, just duplicate it and duplicate this one and add it to here like this. Super. So now we have our own something like a wax seal, but not, this will be the shape of the wax seal what we're creating. So we need to download it. Need to download the page 2. And already create the new page again. And we just need to upload. Just cutting the edges to get the third one. And this looks like a smiley, just realized now. So we just need to find a seal wax, what we would like to use. We have lots of different seal wax. Now we use this one, the red one. And the thing what we need to use is the style. This one, why we can't copy that style what we want. So I just need to delete it. And for this one was for, yeah, not working with all of them. That's also a strange thing. I just would like to see, or this one also. This one is not allowed us. But for this one, we have a copy art style. So I copied the art style and just click on the, sorry, click on the image. And here we already have our own custom style seal wax. Not working with all of the elements as we see. I would like to see another one. Why is it not allowed us to copy the style? As you see, just copy style. Meanwhile, in the green one, once again, just copy style, but when we move into here, not always working the art style again. I don't know why. Now, as you can see, we have the copy art style also. So I would have to check again for this golden one. So if I, here, this one have the copy art style. So this one also works. As you can see, but the size is too big and yeah, this one is not perfect. Oh no, you can, okay. was outside what I cropped. That, as you can see, it also works with the golden one. So that's a pretty cool trick to create your own style custom wax seal. We can use it for any images, or if you need like create a custom letter somewhere, or just for a post with a beautiful seal wax. This is how you can create your own custom style in Canva. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Plus, you can find a link for also my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I already mentioned, you can find all the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.